Yeah, kototama utoliwa bathu bothe bene they've always been there for me. My African dream dasanga konulora ifarali bionani siyo. So yeah, from low places to high places loko take over. Even namsindando album yanga idavanga birthday yanga even though singoitaya. Well, koli wanu konolindela, you know. Patience. Madhouse. Yo, take a look at what hip-hop did to me. From nothing to something, now they cheap for me. Techele sani penny yanga on this tune. Yo, bakola babote and it is funny. Rikozama just to make it, but they always push us back. Zilidara zifichi tundichi ambanga venek. Yo, they don't listen when I talk. Bangi misa banse badani when I walk. Shiantungu pata, da techele samtika hoyu wanga wankutata. Ufika la machero mboporo wo idoshika. Azani yanga siwe ngorjavo ritika. Ende nanandi kototo vali billionaire. Ndito tusa jusi wanandi nambiru ya une. Ridoshika, and yes we can. Murena bakobuya ati divi uriwen.
Crab mentality. They said that I would never be everything I am today. I ain't gonna stop, I'ma keep on pressing. Crab mentality. They said that I would never be everything I am today. I ain't gonna stop, I'ma keep on pressing.
Yeah. Mafrika pandan, pepanani andan. Chumo yote izwandan, na buchiro buzwandan. Hamudzi mubadaman, ni rapele ni hanwan. Toyando uchitandan, mani ini manaman. Yo, I work hard, varsity bati muva. Tingo pera mbiru city yanga chilenga uva. Madhouse ya nchi ya watu vanchi bakuba. Megfeme ina nebanga basa tutuba. Tuchilizira murondi yap ndiko libuwa. Vendalanga ndianifuna yap ndiko aruwa. Nangwa nangarwa na manisongoto uchuwa. Takaro tara ende ndiko divuwa. Rockefeller rizo balori ndi future real. Hacha ita hip hop oshanduka buchil. Mara one day I know ure zito iteya. Bibili yoto ziamba ure zikotroteya.
Mentality. They said that I would never be everything I am today. I ain't gonna stop, I'ma keep on pressing. Crab mentality. They said that I would never be everything I am today. I ain't gonna stop, I'ma keep on pressing.
Nobody ever holding me down. Ain't nobody ever gonna hold me down. As long as I'm around, I'm gonna stay strong. Cause this is where I